Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss or revise the question answer of chapter number 14, Chemical Effects of Electric Current. So let us start the revision of question answer of chapter number 14. First question is, what is the effect of electric current? कि electric current the key effect है. The effects of electric current is that when current is produced in appliances such as electric bulb, it may also cause heating effect of electric current. So when electric current pass through a particular like electric bulb, electric toaster, or through a fan, the fan flow below start with the help of electricity. So after some time that is heat up. So electric current ਜਿਸ ਵੀ substance appliance ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀ pass out ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਕੀ produce ਕਰਦਾ heat produce ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ electric bulb ਹੋ ਗਿਆ if it glow for a 1 hour or a half an hour or 1.5 an hour or more than that, that is heat. When we touch after the off to the off the bulb, that is heat up. Oh hot ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ. So when electricity pass through any substance, that also produce heat, Next, why does sodium chloride does not conduct electricity? So in solid state, why does sodium chloride does not conduct electricity in solid state? So in solid state, sodium atoms are closely packed in the crystal lattice, so it is surrounded by chlorine atoms. That's why it does not conduct electricity. So in solid state, they are totally closely packed in a crystal lattice by chlorine atoms, or you can say they are not able to produce ions in solid state. So that's why they does not conduct electricity. So here word you put solid state. Can liquid conduct electricity? Ki liquid ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ electricity conduct ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. Liquid conduct electricity if ions are present in this liquid. ਜੇ ions present ਹੋਣਗੇ then liquid able to conduct electricity. There are two types of conductor, good conductor and bad conductor. So which easily conduct with electricity due to presence of ions, more ions. Bad conductor which are not easily conduct electricity due to less number or no ions present in that conductor. So pure water is a bad conductor. Why? Due to absence of ions. And tap water is a good conductor due to presence of ions. Next question, why sodium chloride conduct electricity in aqueous solution? Aqueous solution ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂ sodium chloride ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ electricity conduct ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ? Due to presence of sodium and chloride ions. Because when we dissolve sodium chloride in water, it produces ions, Na positive or Cl negative, which helps to conduct electricity. Due to these two ions, that's why it is good conductor in aqueous state, but not in solid state. Also it's good conductor in molten state, which is between solid and aqueous state. Next, what do we get on electrolysis of acidified water? When we pass electric current through water in which acid presence, there are two types of gases released from which water form hydrogen and oxygen gas. So when we pass electric current through a acidified water, it dissociates into gases, hydrogen and oxygen gas. Next question, write the full form of LED. Why it is preferred used in tester? So what is LED? It is light emitting diode. Why it is preferred used in tester? कि whether ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਕਰੰਟ ਪਾਸ ਆਊਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਸ਼ੀਅਨਸ ਕੋਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. So it is preferred to other bulbs because it glow even when a weak or less current pass through it. So ये prefer करते हैं क्योंकि low current ते भी साढ़े कोई glow करते हैं. That's why we are used in tester to testing the circuit is okay or not. Next, tap water conduct electricity but distilled water does not. Why? कि tap water ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ions present ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ because that is not pure. The number of salts are present which are dissociated into ions in water, so that ions are helpful to conduct with electricity. But there is a distilled water or pure water that is free from salts or no ions present in distilled water. That's why they are not conduct with electricity. Next question, what is the purpose of one longer and shorter lead of LED? कि साडे को जड़ियां दो लीड्स ने LED बल्ब दियां साडे को लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड दियां उन्हां दा की मोटिव है, की पर्पस है? दी लॉन्गर लेड इज ऑलवेज कनैक्टेड टू दी पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल। सो जिहड़ी लॉन्गर लेड है साडे को लीड है वो साडे को जिहड़ी हैगी है पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल नूं कनैक्ट होगी एंड शॉर्टर लीड इट इज कनैक्टेड टू दी नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ दी बैटरी। सो जिहड़ी लॉन्गर है दैट इज कनैक्टेड टू पॉजिटिव and ਜਿਹੜੀ shorter है that is connected to the negative terminal of battery. There are two symbols are right in one side and another side, positive and negative. Next, how is conductivity of liquid tested? कि liquid good conductor है या bad conductor है? How can we test? The free end of a tester is dipped in the liquid. If the bulb glows, then liquid is said to be a conductor. If not, it means it's a bad conductor. That liquid does not conduct electricity. So free end jada tester da onu dip karange liquid ch. If the LED bulb glow, it means that liquid is a good conductor, otherwise poor conductor or bad conductor. Next, describe an electric tester. How can we test? What is the motive and how can we use electric tester? So an electrical tester, it is a simple piece of electronic test equipment used to determine the presence and absence of an electric voltage in the piece of equipment under test. Electrical tester एक simple piece है electronic test equipment दा which are detect to the presence of electric voltage or electric current in the particular substance on a particular appliances. It is also used for liquid conducting. So a tester है जिहदी help नाल असीं find out कर सकते हैं whether the current pass through that substance or not, voltage in that substance is presence or absence. Next, what are semiconductors? Give examples. So there are three types of substance: conductor, insulator and semiconductor. So semiconductor those substance in which allows electric current pass partially through them. उस substance जिन्ना थोड़ा बहुता जिहड़ा current है वो pass out करदा, they are called semiconductor. They are poor conductor at low temperature. Low temperature they घट conduct करदे ने electricity नू, but good conductor at high temperature. For example, silicon that is act as a semiconductor. Clear? Next, why is the tin electroplated on iron to make cans used for storing food? कि जिहड़ी tin metal है वो iron दे उपर जिहड़ियां cans ने जिहड़े storing food नू store कर लई जिहड़ियां cans ने उन्हां दे उपर tin क्यों electroplate कीती जांदी है? To prevent from rusting to iron and storing cans look shiny and attractive by the coating of tin on iron cans. एक तो वो shine करदियां ने, एक attractive nature हुंदी है. दूसरा मेन मोटिव है टू प्रोटेक्ट द आयरन फ्रॉम रस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द सब्सटेंस व्हिच इज यूज्ड एज कैथोड, एनोड एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट during electrorefining of copper. In the book we also perform an activity. So which substance we take cathode and anode and electrolyte during the electrorefining of copper? These are the applications. So first, cathode, it act as a pure copper act as a cathode, impure copper act as a anode, which is purified with the help of this circuit. Electrorefining means impure copper nu pure copper change karna, and electrolyte that is copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution ਅਸੀਂ use करनी electrolyte. Next, what are the advantages of anodized cookware? ਜਿਹੜੇ anodized ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ cookware ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਚਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੈਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੈਜੀਟੇਬਲਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਪਕਾਉਣੇ ਆ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡਿਸ਼ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁੱਕਵੇਅਰਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਅਨੋਡਾਈਜ਼ਡ. ਕੀ ਐਡਵਾਂਟੇਜ ਨੇ? ਆ ਨੋਨ ਸਟਿਕੀ ਸਰਫੇਸ, ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਕੁਛ ਜੰਮਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਰਫੇਸ ਸਕ੍ਰੈਚ ਰੈਸਿਸਟੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, मतलब कि उन्होंने स्क्रैच भी नहीं पाते. इंप्रूवड हीट रिटेंशन, मतलब कि हीट मैक्सिमम ऑब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. ग्रेटर डेंट रेसिस्टेंट, मतलब कि उन्होंने विच कोई चिब वगैरह नहीं पैंदा. दैट्स वाई दे आर यूजफुल फॉर अस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज What is the difference between conductors and insulators? What are conductors? Which allow electric current to pass through them. Easily current pass through them, that are called conductor. Which don't allow or not electric current pass through them, that are called insulator. In conductors, current pass through the movement of free electrons which are loosely bonded. So conductors ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ free electrons ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ movement ਕਰਕੇ current pass out karda, but there are no electrons are loosely bonded and not free to move in insulator. They are tightly bounded. So what are the examples of conductor? Metals, graphite. These are the like a metal, iron, aluminium, silver. These are the good conductors or conductors. Insulator, plastic, rubber, glass. These are the examples of insulator. So these are the question answer of chapter number 14. If you have any query, you can call me. Thank you.